Here we have a 69 plate BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked, finished in gloss black with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We do also have the M Sport Plus package, with the black sapphire metallic paintwork, LED headlights, we have the gloss black grills and also the gloss black front splitter. Round to the passenger side now, you find we have the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top we have the shark fin antennae, and we do also have the rear spoiler lip just here on the tailgate. Round to the rear you find we have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display, and we do also have a reversing camera. We've got the rear diffuser with the dual exit exhaust, and also if we press the button on the remote then the boot will pop open like so. Now inside of here you find we have a decent amount of space that goes quite far back, storage net as well on the left hand side. Coming back out, if we just close that boot and then make our way back round to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So take a look then at the interior now. If you have a look at the back first, you find we do have the black leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We have the M Sport style seat belts inside of here. We've got the climate control as well down there for the rear passengers, brush metal door handles and also the electric windows. Again at the front we have the same full black leather interior. Both front seats are heated and there is a look at them. Again on the doors we've got the electric windows for child lock for the rear, electric mirrors, and we do also have the ambient lighting which runs throughout the vehicle, automatic lights and the automatic wipers. We have a multifunctional steering wheel. If we take a seat inside then you'll find we have the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, digital dashboard here in front of us, put a foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle will start up for us. You see we do have the speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side as well, and we're also free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard. We do have the main screen just here in the centre. Now if any of the screens or lights are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. So we do have the sat nav navigation, we have the shortcuts down here, so click onto the media, then you'll find the radio stations. We do also have the Bluetooth audio and plenty of other features as well. Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We do also have all these apps which are currently installed, along with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Going on to the main menu, if you go onto car, onto the settings, you'll find the interior ambient lighting just here, where we have plenty of colours which we can choose from. We do also have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. We have the automatic gearbox for the different drive modes, so as you can see we do have the adaptive drive mode, we have electric, hybrid, and also we have the sport drive modes. It also changes the look of the dashboard for the different drive modes, so this is sport and this is the adaptive drive mode. As you can see it changes like so. Putting the car into reverse, you find the reversing camera with the front and rear parking sensors. Put it back into park, moving further down we have the climate control, we've got the heated seats on either side and the ice-cold air conditioning all working as they should do. We have some storage space inside of here with the wireless phone charging. We do also have the cup holders, a 12-volt connectivity and a USB port just inside of there. Again, you've got the automatic gearbox, different drive modes, electric handbrake, nice leather armrest in the centre which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 330e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. And as you can see I'm now at the fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. We do have the multifunction steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side, so if you want to stick the car into manual mode, just tap one of the paddles and it will change gear. We do also have the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left hand side. We've got the digital dash here in front of us as well, which can show different displays that you would have seen on the photos and also the walk around video. Now if you do listen carefully as well throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do also have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle, which is very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. And we do have the main screen just here in the centre, currently showing the sat nav, Also has plenty of features on there, again you would have seen them on the photos, but for example we do have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. We also have plenty of other features throughout this vehicle. For example, we have the ambient lighting, it really does come to life especially at night time. We do also have the wireless phone charging, plenty of good features in this vehicle. We also have the climate control, the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for them hot summer days. We have the automatic gearbox as well for all the different drive modes. Now just put our right indicator on, start to slow down because we're about to make the right hand turn now onto the industrial park. And then now I'll perform an emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. We've got the reversing camera appear on the screen. Put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.